Here we go. Here we go. There. There you go. Saltiga does it again. I don't mind fishing in these shallower waters, especially on a rough day. The fish come in close for shelter. You've got to invest the time you just have to invest the time in catching the liveys, eh? Another big juke. I just got to get him off the bottom. Big tail whack. That's why you got to have really good gear. Don't skimp on your gear, because you put in the effort to wake up, get the boat ready, or the jet ski in this case. You've got to do everything right. Come on, buddy. I don't like to keep my rod tip too high. Oh, snap. $8.30, joking. Hooked him nicely in the mouth. Nice. He wasn't getting away. Last strip does it again. I'd say, nearly lost my net. Turn it around. I'd say, oh man, if I get one from a seat. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, he'll be just under 70.